How do you start from zero when you have no money, no connections, and everything feels against you? Most people freeze. But me, I decided to fight back. I'm 17. While my friends hang out, I work. I've been on construction sites, I've done small jobs, I've saved every dollar I could. Why? Because I don't have a rich family, I don't have investors. The only capital I have is me. And honestly, it's not easy. My family pressures me. Sometimes they don't understand why I work so hard, why I dream so big, but that pressure, it built my fire. Starting from zero means you face doubt every single day. People laugh at you. They say, be realistic. Doubt. They tell you to stop dreaming, but here's the truth. Starting from nothing is the best gift you could ever get because you learn discipline, you learn resilience, you learn to create opportunities instead of waiting for them. So how do you start from zero? 3 steps. 1, build capital. Work any job, save aggressively because your first investment is survival. 2, build skills. Every hour you're not working, learn something that pays off in the future. Business, communication, mindset. 3, build vision. Never forget why you're doing this. Money is fuel, but your vision is the engine. Listen, if you're broke right now, if you feel like you're starting at the very bottom, don't be ashamed. Billionaires once had zero. Leaders once had nothing. What separates winners from quitters is not resources, it's resourcefulness. I'm 17. I started from nothing. I still have nothing to show yet, but I'm building every day. And if you're starting from zero too, don't just watch my journey, walk it with me. Subscribe because together we'll prove that starting from nothing is the greatest advantage you can have.